Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with the office on Monday, promised this free video. So here it is. Going to keep things really short and quick. Just want to show you 3 tips that you guys can do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. You guys are doing a lot of good things here. You got a click to call, free estimate, click to call here. You got your social media icons on the side. So there's a lot of good things that you're doing, especially in terms of getting conversions quickly. um, your site's pretty clean. It's got some good images here. Your footer looks clean. The one thing that I noticed though is that there's not a ton of content here throughout the site. And content's pretty important for a couple of reasons. Looking at what you're ranking for, you are ranking for 2 keywords. And basically, it's your name and roof repair North Miami. And there's a lot of volume here in Miami. I was looking at 11,000 searches just in Miami alone in terms of roofing. So like roofing company Miami is a great keyword to rank for. And so if I wanted to rank for that keyword, what I would do is I would have that as a heading. I would have that within my content. I might even save an image as that keyword. So instead of this being saved as roofing contractor, which is a good keyword, it's a national keyword. It's not specific to any location, but I would probably save that as roofing company Miami or something like that. And it just allows you to rank faster and more efficiently if you have those keywords with that throughout your site. So really important to get that going and really build that up. The more content you have throughout your site, the more keywords you could be found for. And with the more keywords, the more search volume, and the more opportunity for potential clients. So content's super important. It's also a ranking factor. So it's one of the reasons why you see sites like Wikipedia, Yelp, they do so well because they just have a ton of quality content. And it's about quality and quantity. So content would definitely be my first tip, and including those buyer specific keywords like, because roofing company Miami, if somebody's searching for that, chances are they need a roof, and they need a roof. Like, if someone were to search for like Miami roofing, like that could be a supply, that could be any number of things, but roofing company Miami is pretty specific. So you want those buyer specific keywords. Um, Also, my second tip would be to continue to build and strengthen this Google Business profile. So these are a very effective tool in getting traffic to your site. Because when somebody searches, everybody searches differently, right? Some people click on the first thing they see, which is a great reason to run these local ads and be Google guaranteed, and to run Google ads, which get above the fold. For the people that click on the first thing they see, it's a great way to capture those type of people. Some people like to go down to these top 3 Google business profiles, and they could pull up to 40% of the traffic. So on a keyword like this that has 450 searches a month, you're looking at what, 180 to almost 200 searches a month going directly to these top 3. So that's a lot of volume that you can potentially pull. And then obviously the organics, they can pull a lot of traffic. Like this would pull up to, the first spot pulls up to usually like 31%. So having a variety of ways in which to capture traffic is super important. And how you really would want to build this up, reviews are important, right? The more reviews, the better. Assuming they're 5-star reviews, you really want, people uh, to showcase that you're doing work and you're doing quality work. Because if your clients and people around you trust you, then Google should trust you, and that's kind of how they look. All this information needs to be pretty consistent throughout the web, and what I see a lot of variances in is the hours, and you really want to make sure everything matches, because what Google doesn't want is they don't want people to search on different platforms and get different information. So it's really important that all the information is pretty consistent, and regardless of whether someone's searching on Yelp or Angie's List or here or your website, that they get the same accurate information. And last but not least, you want to upload and save photos that are saved as keywords and geotagged. So if I'm wanting to rank for a roofing company in Miami, I would save a photo as that, and I would geotag it. So basically, I would maybe pick this location here, and Google will feel that you did a job or service in that location, and you just want to continue to build it out to show them where you work and your radius, and they can kind of build and grow accordingly. So really important to get that done. Last but not least, just build up the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains or websites that link to you. And right now you have 10 referring domains or websites that are sending you 11 links, and only 2 of those are do follow links. And do follow links are important because those are the ones that are going to give you power. So you really want to really build up that power and strength, and this would be the numerical value of that. When you see no data, you basically say it's like 0, 0. And typically with roofers, you want to be 20s, 30s, 40s. And just to show you what that looks like, this is Perkins. They're ranking number 1 for this roofing company, Miami. And as you can see here, they're in the 20s, almost the 30s, almost a 1-to-1 ratio. They have 102 do follow links compared to your 2, and 140 referring domains. And they're ranking in the top 100 in just under 600 keywords, and they're getting 600 clicks a month plus. So a lot of different things that they're doing well that you can kind of just mimic and do the same thing. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I would love to get your feedback. Our my contact information is in the email. Uh, please feel free to reach out. I also have a link to my Google Calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time works best for your schedule. So, with that, have a great day and God bless.